Today we will discuss about MCQ for Basic Mechanical Engineering Part 7 from Internal Combustion Engine, means IC engine. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. So let's start from the question number 1. Which engine produces more power for same size, or you can say same CC? Option: 4-stroke diesel engine, 4-stroke petrol engine, 2-stroke diesel engine, 2-stroke petrol engine. Petrol engine will have higher power than diesel engine because it can run at much higher RPM, and as power is directly proportional to the RPM. Hence, petrol engine will produce more power. So first conclusion, petrol engine will produce more power. So here the answer is B or D. So look at this table. Here I have taken the sample for the one model Maruti Suzuki Swift. Petrol engine having CC 1197 and diesel engine having CC 1248. So here you can see petrol engine having more power, 83 brake horsepower, whereas in case of diesel engine it is 75 brake horsepower only. So you can conclude from this table that the petrol engine having more power. Now as we have discussed, in case of 2-stroke engine, power is developed in every revolution of crankshaft, whereas in case of 4-stroke engine, power is developed in every alternative revolution of the crankshaft. And so that you can say 2-stroke engine having more power. So D is the right answer. Next, 2-stroke diesel cycle is completed in dash revolution of crankshaft. Option 1, 2, 3, 4. So in case of 2-stroke engine, 1 revolution of crankshaft in 1 cycle. In case of 4-stroke engine, 2 revolutions of crankshaft in 1 cycle. So here the question is about 2-stroke. So 1 revolution is the right answer. Next, carburetor is used to supply. Option: diesel and air mixture, petrol and air mixture, diesel only, petrol only. So look at this note. Carburetor is used in petrol engine to supply mixture of petrol and air during the suction stroke. So here petrol and air mixture is the right answer. Next, which part used in IC engine to convert reciprocating motion of piston to rotary motion of output shaft? Option: connecting rod, crankshaft, camshaft, gudgeon pin. So look at this figure. And here the question is about which part in the IC engine to convert reciprocating motion of piston. So here you can see the reciprocating motion of the piston and rotary motion of the shaft. And this part is called as the connecting rod. So here you can say this connecting rod is used to convert the reciprocating motion of the piston into rotary motion of the crankshaft. So A is the right answer. Next, a 2-stroke engine has option: inlet and exhaust port, inlet, exhaust and transfer ports, inlet and exhaust valves, all of the above. Look at this figure. This is the 2-stroke petrol engine. And here you can see these are the 2 ports, inlet and outlet ports, and this one is the transfer port. So B is the right answer. Next, in a 2-stroke engine, ports are operated by movement of option: crank, piston, connecting rod, piston pin. So look at this figure. The ports are operated by the movement of piston. So B is the right answer. Next, the unit of specific fuel consumption is kg per second, kg per kilowatt hour, kg per kilowatt, none of the above. So first of all, look at the definition of specific fuel consumption. It is defined as the amount of fuel consumed by an engine for 1 brake power production. And so that mathematically you can say brake specific fuel consumption is equal to MF upon BP, where mf is the mass of the fuel supplied per second, and that's why the unit is kg per second, and bp is the brake power, and you know that unit of the power is kilowatt. And so that if you put it over here kg per second and bp is in kilowatt, so it is kg per kilowatt second, or you can say kg per kilowatt hour. So B is the right answer. Next, spark plug is used in option diesel engine, petrol engine, steam engine, boiler. So this is the spark plug which is used in petrol engine, and that's why petrol engine is known as spark ignition engine also. So B is the right answer. Next, the compression ratio for diesel engine is in the following range. Option 12 to 22, 5 to 10, 10 to 12, none of the above. So look at the compression ratio in the petrol engine, that is in between 6 to 10, whereas in case of diesel engine it is in between 14 to 22. So here the question is about diesel engine, so A is the right answer. Next, petrol engine work on option either spark or compression ignition, spark ignition, compression ignition, all of the above. So as we have discussed earlier that the petrol engine is called as SI engine also, that means spark ignition engine. So B is the right answer. Next, which energy is converted into mechanical energy in IC engine? Option heat energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, chemical energy of the fuel. So look at this figure. So this is the suction stroke, then compression. At the end of the compression, the fuel that is ignited over here, and so that the chemical energy of the fuel is converted into heat energy, and that will be ultimately converted into work done. So in IC engine, the chemical energy of fuel is converted into mechanical energy. So D is the right answer. Next, in 4-stroke cycle engine, cycle is completed in option 2 strokes of the piston, 2 revolution of the crankshaft, 3 strokes of the piston, 4 revolution of the crankshaft. So in 2-stroke engine, 1 revolution of the crankshaft in 1 cycle, whereas in 4-stroke engine, 2 revolution of the crankshaft in 1 cycle. So here the question is about 4-stroke, so you can say 2 revolution of the crankshaft. So B is the right answer. Next, the compression ratio of petrol engine is 3 to 6, 5 to 8, 15 to 20, 20 to 30. So in case of petrol engine, compression ratio is 6 to 10, whereas in case of diesel engine it is 14 to 22. Question is about petrol engine, so it is 6 to 10. So you can say 5 to 8 is the right answer. Next, mechanical efficiency of the following engine is more. Option 4-stroke engine, 2-stroke engine, steam engine, gas engine. Mechanical efficiency means it is the ratio of brake power to indicated power. Mathematically, we can say mechanical efficiency is equal to brake power upon indicated power, where brake power is equal to 2 pi n t upon 60. So you can say brake power is directly proportional to N, where N is number of working strokes per minute. That is equal to N by 2 for 4-stroke engine and is equal to N for 2-stroke engine. So here you can understand the brake power is directly proportional to N. So now if I want to increase the mechanical efficiency, brake power must be increased. Now to increase the brake power, you have to increase the N. And here you can see N is more in case of 2-stroke engine. So B is the right answer. Next, during suction stroke in a diesel engine, it draws in option mixture of diesel and air, only diesel, only air, vapor of the diesel. So look at this figure, diesel engine. During the suction stroke, only the air is entered. Fuel that is actually injected with the help of the fuel injector. So during the suction stroke, only the air is entered in case of diesel engine. So here C is the right answer. Next, power produced inside the cylinder of IC engine is known as option: indicated power, brake power, friction power, none of the above. So the definition of indicated power: the power developed inside the engine cylinder by burning of fuel is called as indicated power of the engine, and it is calculated by PLAN upon 60. So here the question is about power produced inside the cylinder, and so that indicated power is the right answer. Next, thermal efficiency of SI engines is low due to low compression ratio, high compression ratio, medium compression ratio, none of the above. So you know that thermal efficiency is depend on the compression ratio. Why? So look at the efficiency of the Otto cycle, and you know that SI engine works on Otto cycle. Here R is the compression ratio. If you decrease the compression ratio, then this term will decrease, and hence this whole term will increase, and thus the efficiency will decrease. And so you can understand the low compression ratio is the right answer. Next, the ratio of brake power to indicated power is called as thermal efficiency, relative efficiency, mechanical efficiency, volumetric efficiency. So mechanical efficiency is defined as it is the ratio of brake power to indicated power. So mathematically we can say mechanical efficiency is equal to BP upon IP. So here the question is about brake power to indicated power. That means mechanical efficiency is the right answer. Next, which power of IC engine is always maximum? Option: indicated power, brake power, friction power, can't say. So look at this formula: friction power is equal to indicated power minus brake power. So from this formula you can understand indicated power is always more than brake power, and the difference of these two, that is friction power, so that is always less than indicated power. So A is the right answer. So thanks my dear friends, press the like button to appreciate this video.